So today we will be continuing with the autofill feature, and after that we will be doing the back exercises and the question answers that you are supposed to do in your FAIR notebooks. All right. So one more thing that you are to solve these exercises side by side on your books also. Clear? So let's continue first of all with the autofill feature. I am sharing the screen with all of you. Just a minute. All right. Is the screen visible, all of you? All of you, the screen is visible, beta ji. So, autofill feature. What do you mean by autofill feature? Autofill feature, it helps you. It is one of the important feature of MS Word 2013, with the help of which you people can make if you're using the autofill feature, the contents in the cell, they can be filled automatically. You need not to type all the contents, like if you want to type days of the week or months in a year, if you want to type in a spreadsheet. So you can use autofill feature, and when you are using the autofill feature, the typing works, it gets lesser. Typing का जो work है वो less हो जाता है, because the contents in the cell they get filled automatically. आपको हर एक like month of the year आपको अगर आपने type करना है, अगर आपने spreadsheet में months of the year enter करने हैं, so if you are if you are using the autofill feature, you need not to type every month of the year. आपको type हर एक month को type करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. By using the autofill feature, all the you just need to enter the first month. Rest you drag the months of the pointer, mouse pointer, and all the months of the year it will be filled automatically. Clear? So this is the use of the autofill feature, that it is used to copy the cell contents. By using this autofill feature, you people can fill the contents in the cell automatically without typing. ये टाइपिंग किए बिना आप कंटेंट्स जो है अपने सेल में ऑटोमेटिकली क्या कर सकते हैं, फिल कर सकते हैं. सो आई एम शेयरिंग द एक्सेल स्क्रीन विद ऑल ऑफ यू, वेयर वी विल बी seeing how you can use the autofill feature. So here is the Excel screen with all of you. Can you see the Excel screen? All right. So first of all, let me make some changes in the font size so that it is visible to all of you. You can format the cells accordingly, format your spreadsheets accordingly. We had done formatting earlier also, right? So here I am going to enter like serial number. Here, days of the week, Sunday, Monday. One more thing that you have to keep in mind regarding when you are entering the numbers. जब आप numbers को enter कर रहे हैं बेटा जी, तो आपने एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, that the two numbers they are to be entered, two consecutive numbers are to be entered. Two consecutive numbers are to be entered. Consecutive, all of you know the meaning of consecutive, one after the another, right? So here, if I am entering 1, then I need to enter the two consecutive numbers. Here I will be entering 2 in order to form the series. अगर मैंने अकेला 1 enter किया है, if I had entered only 1, तो वो 1 कुछ भी हो सकता है. 1001, 151, 1000, 1,89, कुछ भी नंबर हो सकता है. So you need to enter two consecutive numbers in order to form the series. क्लियर? अगर जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने 2 एंटर नहीं किया, यहाँ पे मैंने 2 एंटर नहीं किया, सिर्फ 1 एंटर किया है, तो ये 1 से कुछ भी वो कर सकता है, 1 को वो कुछ भी एज्यूम कर सकता है. सो यू नीड टू एंटर टू कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स in order to form the series using the autofill feature. Clear? Then what you have to do is you have to drag these two, you have to select these two numbers, then on your right corner, ये देखो राइट कॉर्नर पे आपको प्लस का साइन नजर आ रहा है बेटा जी, दिस प्लस साइन, This is the autofill handle. This plus sign, this is called as the autofill handle. Now what you need to do is, you need to drag this handle up to the place where you want to enter the cells. Okay, now you can see without typing, the contents in the cell have been filled automatically. Clear all of you? Now in the same way, here just one thing you have to keep in mind, in numbers you have to enter two consecutive numbers. Two consecutive numbers आपने क्या करनी है, enter करनी है. Clear? Now days of the week starting from Monday. Clear? So again what you need to do is drag the autofill handle. The contents in the cell, they are filled automatically. Clear? So this is the use of the autofill feature. Am I clear all of you? You can format your cells accordingly. जैसे भी आपने formatting करनी है, you can format the cells accordingly. Clear? So this is the use of the autofill feature, that you do not need to type the data again and again. आप simple एक cell में data enter करेंगे. Using the autofill feature, rest of the contents can be filled automatically. Is it clear all of you? Clear beta? So this was the use of the autofill feature. Now let's discuss this was the last topic of your chapter, editing a worksheet. Now let's discuss the back exercises now. So I will be asking you the questions one by one. Clear? So I am sharing the screen with all of you. Just a second. All of you be prepared with your books. Be prepared, all of you, with your books and pencils in your hand so that you can solve the back exercises side by side. All right. So whosoever name I take inside the class, be ready with the answer. Clear? All right. So let's ask we will be solving first of all the A part of your back exercises. That is, tick the correct answers. So let's ask the first answer from Savya. To select a range, Savya, to select a
Yes,
range,
ma'am.
hold down the dash key and click the last cell.
To select a range, hold down the control key and click the last cell.
No. Correct answer is hold down the shift key. Correct answer is shift key. You have to hold down the shift key when you want to select the range of the cells. Whenever you want to select the range of the cells, we have to press the shift key from the keyboard, and then we will be clicking on the last cell so that the particular range that is selected. Clear? Mute yourself side by side whenever you are answering. Okay? After answering the question, you need to mute yourself, everyone. All right. So let's ask the answer. Next answer from Chehek. Dash means duplicating the data.
Copy means duplicating the data.
Correct answer. Copy means duplicating the data. Whenever you want to create a copy of the cells, it means you are creating the duplicate of the original spreadsheet or original cells. You are creating a copy. Clear? So copy means duplicating the data. Next one. Let's ask this answer from Parul. Parul, dash keys are used to undo an action. Parul, can you hear me?
Z keys are used to undo an action.
Sorry, please
Ma'am,
repeat the answer.
control plus Z.
Right, control plus Z keys. Right, Parul, correct answer. Control plus Z keys are used to undo an action. Side by side, beta ji, please mute yourself as you answer the question, so that the class goes on smoothly and no disturbance is there. Okay, next answer, let's ask from Saksham and some dash feature, insert, delete and format commands are present in the dash group.
C cells group.
Right, correct answer, C cells group. insert, delete, and format commands, they are present in the cells group. Clear? All right. Next answer, let's ask from Drishti. Drishti, dash feature
Yes.
allows to fill a series of data automatically. Very easy one.
Autofill.
Autofill, right? So autofill feature which we have discussed right now, that is used to fill the series of the data automatically. Clear? I hope all of you are solving the back exercises side by side on your books. All right, so let's come upon to the fill in the blanks. So let's ask this answer, the first answer from Karthik. Karthik, first fill in the blanks, that is cut, copy and paste commands. They are present in the
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, cut, copy, and paste commands are present in clipboard group.
very good. Right answer, cut, copy and paste commands. They are present in the clipboard group. All right, Jitesh, next answer.
Yes, ma'am.
To open an active cell in the edit mode, press dash key.
F2 key.
Very good. Press F2 key. So students are giving the right answers. I hope all of you are studying right. So coming upon to the next one, let's ask this answer from Shubh. Shubh, control plus spacebar keys are used to select entire.
Column.
Very good. Control plus spacebar keys, they are used to select the entire columns. So coming upon to the next fill in the blanks. Let me ask this answer from, just a minute. Let's ask this answer from, all right, Madhav, roll number 28.
Yes.
Dash keys are used to copy the data.
Control plus C.
Very good. Control plus C keys are used to copy the data. 6th B students, I require active participation from all of you also. 6th B class. Okay, let's ask the next answer from Jalashween. Yes, Jalashween. Very good. Raise your hands yourself so that you can answer the questions. Dash shows the extend indicator.
Status bar.
Right. Status bar, it shows the extend indicator. Very good. So let me ask the another question from Arush, 6th B, roll number 1. Arush, am I audible? You need to answer better yourself. Raise your hands for the active participation. All right, I think we should ask the answer from Jasmeet now. Jasmeet, to remove a row. Jasmeet, to remove a row.
Delete option.
Right. To remove a row, you will click on the delete option. Very good. So I hope all of you have solved the fill in the blanks on your books also. So coming upon to the next topic, that is true and false. All right, let's ask the answer from Himalaya. You have raised your hand. Himalaya. So no problem, you can answer the first true and false. Can you? Himalaya.
मैम पहला false है.
You cannot select a range that is out of view. So the correct answer is
False.
false. Yes, because you can select the range that is out of view by using the extend indicator feature of MS Excel 2013. So the first statement, that is false. Now coming upon to the next statement, let me ask this answer from Ritisha. Ritisha, You can select multiple range of cells. True or false? You can select multiple
Ma'am,
range of
true.
cells. True. Correct answer.
Ma'am, true.
True. You can select multiple range of cells by using the different methods that we had discussed in our class. Like you can select the multiple range of cells by using the control key from the keyboard. Right? Alright. So the answer was correct. That is true. Now let me ask the another answer from Prabnoor, 6th B. Prabnoor, unmute yourself. Prabnoor Singh of 6th B, please unmute yourself. Yes. The undo and the redo buttons are present on quick access toolbar. True or false?
Ma'am, the undo and redo button are
The undo and redo buttons are present on the quick access toolbar. True or false? Anyone answer quickly?
true.
True, yes. Correct answer. Undo and redo buttons, they are present on the quick access toolbar. Now, next answer, let's ask from Tanvi, 6th A. Tanvi, unmute yourself, beta. Tanvi, 6th A. You need to unmute yourself side by side, Bitaji. Yes, Bishop. Autofill feature allows to fill the data automatically. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. Yes. Autofill feature, it allows you to fill the data automatically in the cells of your spreadsheet. All right. So coming upon to the next statement, that is the cell contents, they cannot be deleted. Yes, Harmeet. Cell contents cannot be deleted.
False.
False. You can delete the cell contents. We had discussed three methods of deleting the cell contents, either by typing over the original text, and also you can press the delete or the backspace key after selecting the particular text in your cell. So statement is false. That is, cell contents cannot be deleted. The statement is false. Clear? Now, coming upon to match the columns. All right. Yes, Jasmine, 6th A. Unmute yourself, Jasmine. Yes. Copy the data.
Ma'am, control plus C.
Right. Copy the data. Control plus C. Now, next answer. Let's ask for the next answer from Mitarti. Cut the data.
Yes, ma'am.
Cut the
Ma'am,
data.
control plus X.
Very good. Control plus X. That is the correct answer. To cut the data, the shortcut keys are Control plus X. All right, let's ask the next answer from Devang. Devang, paste the data.
Paste the data, control plus V.
Control plus V, right. And the extend indicator, the shortcut key is
F8 key.
F8 key, right. So these are the shortcut keys that can be asked directly also, that what are the shortcut keys to copy the data, to cut the data, what are the shortcut keys. So it is not necessary that they can be asked only in the form of matching. Clear? You need to learn the shortcut keys. ये आपको directly भी ऐसे पूछी जा सकती है. Shortcut key for extend indicator, that is F8. So it is not necessary कि ये आपको matching form में ही आई जाए. ठीक है बेटा जी? Next you have is identify the following icons. All right. So let me ask the first one. Just a minute. Let me ask the first answer, first icon from IPSA. Yes, IPSA. First icon. IPSA. Unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, copy.
Right. The first one is copy. So the first icon that is present on the window of the Excel spreadsheet or in the clipboard group of Home tab, that is your copy. Clear? Let's ask the another answer from Jaswin. Yes, Jaswin. Quickly. Second answer.
Ma'am,
Jaswin not audible. All right, let me ask this answer from Jasleen, 6th B. Quickly, beta ji. Jasleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one,
Paste.
paste. Third one,
Undo.
undo. All right. So the next one, let me ask from Drishti. Quickly, fourth and fifth one.
Fourth redo, fifth insert.
Very good. Correct answers. So the first one is copy. Second one is paste. Third one is undo. Fourth one is your redo. And fifth one is insert. Clear?